I'm back, and today we are doing fireworks. Yeah, we're doing fireworks with everyone here. Really. We're doing fireworks. We all have our glow sticks on. I don't know. We got Bo. We got Everly. We're doing videos.
Okay, those aren't smoking.
And we're about to show you something very, very cool. What's gonna happen is we're lighting fireworks.
You and Rayleigh can do the ones that you hold.
Oh,
And they shoot out.
Okay. Roman candles. Okay, we're about to light one. Here, watch. Okay, we lit one.
Yeah, not all of those got top. If they're big, that means they didn't pop. Well, that was anticlimactic.
They're smashing them. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of us doing a few fireworks. And bye.